Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend and welcome to the rundown for today, Monday the 20th of June. Greece continues to remain at the forefront of investor attention this morning. Over the weekend we did have the officials of the Eurozone meeting both on Sunday, continued into today. They haven't agreed on a second bailout for Greece, but what they have done is come to an agreement in regard to the next tranche of aid for Greece, 12 billion euros that will come in mid-July, which is somewhat disappointed some investors given the time frame, the lack of real finite conclusion to the problem in Greece. However, they have said that the condition of the next tranche in mid-July will come if Greek Parliament can push through its fiscal strategy and privatisation programme, something which is very key as we head in towards Tuesday evening when we will see that Greek Parliament and their PM Papandreou will have that vote of confidence, which will be key for whether or not they will get that aid from the EU and IMF. For consequence of this, what we have seen then is higher fixed income products, Bund futures trading up around the highs, which has put equities in Europe into the red. Financials and the sector breakdown are the worst performing at the moment, and the euro currency is seen softer across the board. As such, in the risk-averse trade, the dollar index is trading up around its highs, around a 30% gain, and that has also weighed on commodity products. Both Brent and WTI crude futures down over $1 on the day, and in the precious metals, gold and silver in the spot markets are also down as well. In terms of other interesting news flow, we did see late Friday that Moody's placed the Italian sovereign rating on review for a potential downgrade, citing weak growth prospects. That has seen the Italian-German 10-year bond yield spread outperform the widening move so far this morning, with most of peripheral Europe also seeing wider on a percentage and basis point perspective. Looking forward then, in terms of the rest of the session, it is very quiet, no major data coming out of the US, so focus will remain on Greece, so we're keeping a close eye on the euro as well as the Euribor and LIBOR fixings shortly. That concludes the opening wrap load for me here in Europe. My colleague will have an update for you at the cash equity close in Europe, so for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.